Hey, what's up guys? Thought I would share my touring bike setup with you. And there is a look at all the stuff I have to get onto the bike. Definitely looks like quite a bit of stuff, but it's not as much as it actually looks like. So I'll show you guys how I packed this all up on we rode onto that bike, and a little explanation of why I'm taking each item that I have there. Alright, one of the first things I'm going to want to do, I'm going to take my Max Mile bag here. It's got expandable panniers on the side of it. Alright, and the way basically what I use those for is I have two of these all-power 100-watt solar panels, and these will be used to charge the bike back up when I'm camping. At least that's the plan. So one goes on that side, and the other one goes back onto this side. Okay, additionally back into that bag is a 48 volt 8 amp hour battery. This is used for primarily as my emergency backup battery here. I'll put that back over here on this side there. Okay, the next thing is my little DJI Mini. This is pretty much my only buddy on the tour with me, so got to protect it real good. I basically just use the rain protector that comes with the bag, and I wrap it up in there. Unfortunately, I don't have room for the case. Oh, but before that, almost forgot, goes the little kitchen. The little kitchen's pretty easy. You pretty much take this pot, take my gas, put it in there like so. Got some cleaning napkins I put in there. The little stove that screws onto the top of it's in there. Never get a can opener, you never know when you get ones that aren't pop top. And that's basically it for the kitchen there. My utensils, I carry them in basically a separate little bag here, and I got the ends chopped off a lot of them to be shorter. So this all goes into this little mesh here, and that goes next to the other solar panel on the other side. Basically goes down on the bottom, and then the drone goes up on top of it. So pretty much all I got to do is remove the drone if I'm wanting to eat anything, and then the drone's on top for easy access. Okay, and that's primarily what goes into this two side bags. Now I'm gonna focus on the middle here. First things first, these are very important. These are my socks. I put these up against here because every once my butt can hang off the back when I'm moving around, and I don't want something solid there to sit on, so I use those to pad my butt to get it from the batteries. Then I'm going to take the primary 48 volt battery, and I'm going to put it in there first. And I'm going to take my 15 amp hour battery, and then it goes right on top of that guy there. On top of that, I put my air compressor because I don't mess around with those hand pump things. I'm not going to live long enough to sit there and pump with a tire like that. I hate them. Then I got the drone batteries, definitely important. Got my 3 batteries for that in the charging case. Kind of slips over here onto the side. Then I put the drone controller right back there for easy access when I want to get a shot real quick. And grab it out, put on the 2 joysticks, and I'm good to go. This is my Sawyer squeeze system. Basically, this is a water filter because I'm only taking 2 water bottles with me, but I'm going to be going by many streams and lakes. This will basically make it so I can filter my own water. So it'll save me a lot of weight right there. And this I just kind of put on top for also easy access. And that's pretty much that for this back bag. Okay, I got a couple of these cloth water bottle holders I put these up on the front handlebars. One basically acts as a quick grab bag. I put like granola bars in there, GoPro batteries, basically anything that I need lots of quite often. And then I put another one over onto this side. Alright, so yeah, both of them go just like that. Okay, and then pretty much everything else, my clothes and my sleeping system all get stuffed into this stuff sack. I like to put first in there my pair of jeans, because otherwise I have too much weight on the other end. So the pair of jeans ends up balancing off this side. After the jeans, I like to do the stakes nowhere near my air mattress. And then I like to do the sleeping bag. So you get a little bit in there and you just stuff. Usually push down along the sides. And after that, I like to do my air mattress. Throw that on top there. Then on top of that, you're gonna want to put the tent. Inside the tent is also the rain shield is inside of it. So all in one package there. Okay, then I put my charger in. That's for anytime I come across a plug-in, or if I'm using a hotel room, I can charge all the way up to full again. These are extra stakes and guidelines and a big paracord. This is basically so if I have to hang the solar up in a tree to get a good angle, I'm able to do that. This is basically for when I start developing dirty laundry. I don't want it to make all my other stuff smell. I want to keep it separate. So this is a separate bag for that. Okay, then I got a shirt and sweats. I'm missing a few shirts, so I gotta wait till the laundry day to pack them in. Probably 3 shirts additionally on top of this. But basically I recommend putting all the clothes and everything in bags. And the reason for this is definitely waterproof, this bag, but the reason for it is you could be setting up camp in the rain. And I'm gonna be pulling this stuff off the top of it. And I don't want it to get wet. I'm gonna have to put it off to the side somewhere. So if it's already in a bag, it makes that pretty easy. And then I got my underwear and shorts in another bag here. Okay, so that all goes into here. Like so. I take it in my bag. I roll her up. Like so. All right, now all I got to do is attach the bag to the front handlebars. For that, I got a bunch of straps. Last but not least, I have a 21-watt solar panel. I'll give you guys a look at this one real quick. It's not very big. And this I will be using to recharge my drone, phone, lights, all that type stuff, so I don't have to tax my batteries. Hopefully that's the idea. This I'm able to attach using carabines to either the front bag or the back bag to basically generate the power as I go for those devices. Okay, and there you go. There's my basic touring setup there. All the bags on the front. Got the 30-liter bag holding the sleep system, my clothes, charger, ropes. Got all the tools in there. Got all the USB charge cables in there, plus a solar charge controller. Got a solar panel and the 3rd backup battery in there in this compartment. Got the 2 batteries, the compressor, and the controller. drone batteries and hygiene stuff. On this side, got another 100-watt solar panel. Got the drone wrapped up there, and at the bottom got my cooking system. So that is everything I will need for a week and a half on a bike. Hopefully that's the idea anyways. We'll see from the video. If not, I have a wallet with money and credit cards in it, so it's not really a big deal. I can always get a hotel room or anything. But yeah, that's the basic setup right there. Some of the new things from last tour that I didn't have on there would be these two, and this was a 20 liter before, it's not a 30 liter. Had to replace the max mile bag. One of the straps broke on the bottom, but luckily the company actually stood by it and sent me another one. Wish I'd make the strap stronger, would really make me happy. But yeah, anyways, so I got to wait roughly around a week now for hopefully my tour to start. So you guys try to have a good day and stay tuned hopefully for that tour video. It could be a couple weeks from now. I'm talking too much. I don't know why I talk so much. Anyways, have a good day.